The rate cuts come as global financial markets are feeling the impact of the U.S. financial crisis. In Great Britain, where several prestigious banks have collapsed, investors are losing confidence.
We've had the tsunami, everything's collapsed, that's gone.
And in Asia, stocks continue to tumble, down 8% in Hong Kong on Wednesday and nearly 10% in Japan. British Prime Minister Gordon Brown called it an important signal that the world is prepared to work together to deal with economic problems.
This is the means by which, by taking coordinated action as a whole and leading the world in doing so, I believe we can get our banking system on a sound footing, and that is the key to the future.
U.S. Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson said the central bank's rate cut is just the beginning.
This weekend, I will be meeting with my G7 colleagues to discuss the steps that each of us are taking to confront this crisis and ways to further enhance our collective efforts.
But investors remain unconvinced. In New York, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed nearly 200 points down. Securities trader David Henderson summed up the mood on Wall Street.
I think that there's a lot of fear out there. People are, hey, now they're seeing that we're getting this coordination among all the central banks where they're, cutting the rates, which is all fine and well and good. But the damage has already been done, basically.
But the International Monetary Fund believes the action by central banks will help. IMF chief economist Olivier Bernard says the actions come at a time when the global economy is slowing down.
With the stabilization of oil and commodity prices, the room for using monetary policy has substantially increased in most advanced economies. What happened this morning, namely the coordinated decrease in interest rates, is clearly a step in the right direction.
Officials are hopeful lower interest rates will ease the credit crunch that has made it difficult for some businesses to operate. Arcega, VOA News.